In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Remitly account. First, open your browser and go to the Remitly website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account menu which displays your name. Click that to open the menu. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage your account details. You'll land on Profile Information, which is the section that shows your personal info as it's currently saved on your account. Take a moment to review that you're in the right place. Now, locate the email address field on this page. Next to it, you should see an Edit option. Click Edit to change the email on your account. Type your new email address carefully and make sure there are no typos. It's best to use an email you can access right away because services like Remitly may send a confirmation or security prompt to verify the change. After entering the new address, confirm or save the update as prompted. If a confirmation message is sent to your new email, open it and follow the instructions to complete the update, and be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. If you don't see an edit option next to your email, no problem. Go back to the top right corner and click your name again to reopen the account menu. This time, choose Help. You'll be taken to Remitly's Help Center. Scroll to the section that says Can't find what you're looking for. This is where you can reach out for direct assistance. Choose the support channel you prefer: chat, phone, Optiman, or WhatsApp. When you connect, let the agent know you want to update the email on your account and that the edit option isn't appearing. Have your basic account details ready so they can locate your profile, and be prepared to verify your identity. For your security, never share your password or any one-time security codes with anyone. That's it. To recap, open Remitly, go to your account menu, head into Settings, and update your email and profile information. If edit isn't available, use the Help section and contact support via chat, phone, or WhatsApp for assistance. Once you've updated, watch for any confirmation emails to finalize the change. Thanks for following along, and good luck updating your account.